Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing amazing today. I'm going to be doing a healthy hair routine. If you don't know, I may have spoken about this probably quite a few times, more on my Instagram than I have on my YouTube channel, but I have been recently losing my hair due to pregnancy hormones, obviously post-pregnancy hormones, not pregnant again, post-pregnancy hormones. So it's really common, but I lost quite a lot of hair in the beginning, like the first 3 or 4 months in after having RJ, and then now it just kind of falls out in clumps. So I've been looking at ways to obviously treat my hair. I went through a few stages of looking at hair regrowth and things like that. It's still in places slightly thin, like here, but so far I've found a really great routine that's helped me slowly but surely. My hair is getting back to the way it should be. But I've also been using some incredible products by Coco and Eve, which is their bond building pre-shampoo treatment and their repairing and restoring hair mask. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you how my hair looks before and after. So let's just get started. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Honestly, this this bond building pre-shampoo treatment is incredible. My hair feels, I mean, as you can see, it looks really full. It's really well nourished. It's shiny. I just love it. And I think paired with their Sweet Repair hair mask is a beautiful combo. But their pre-shampoo treatment, the difference of your hair before using it and after using it, and going through obviously shampoo, conditioner, then using a hair mask, it seems like a lot of stages, but honestly doing that once or twice a week, it makes all the difference. My hair feels thicker, it does feel stronger, it feels more full. It's working for me. I'll show you, let me just insert here a clip of my hair. I did a little video of my hair when it was at its worst, obviously when it was falling out, when my hair looked really thin. You literally could see part of my scalp, which you obviously can see. So having a treatment that actually helps to, repair, the damage I've done to heat, but also make my hair stronger because it stops it from falling out so much, using less heat in my hair. there's a lot of like different things that you can do, but I think this combination is just brilliant. I'm almost out of my hair mask, so I need to go and get some more of that, but honestly, highly recommend it. I really hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!